What's up guys, Cutetruckboy here, working on a cute truck, the 66 F100 Camper Special. Hey, eyes up here. You gotta look at the truck. Like get a good shot from the truck from like right here. No, bro, get in the shot. Sorry guys, Zoe! There we are. What are you doing? We got plenty of work that has to get done on this old jet. First off, I started taking apart the entire front end so I can do something sick. I'm gonna delete the inner fenders, which is actually super terrible and gonna... All right, get in the engine bay.
All right, I mean...
So basically, I painted the firewall. I have to rewire the entire ignition system so the truck actually starts from a key and not jumping from the starter relay. Yeah, I gotta paint correct a fender and then maybe fix this up because it's looking awful. And I'm gonna clean up the engine and repaint it. So we got our work cut out for us.
Cut?
Oh, I just dropped something. Oh, yep, I got it. This is a piece of the truck, by the way.
No, wait, we gotta show them my socks.
Okay. Socks? Sock reveal? Damn, wait. Doing an apprenticeship?
Listen, wait, guys, listen. Guys. Okay, wait, listen. You can't tell when it's frozen.
All right.
Alright.
What is this?
That's the carbonator.
That's under it. What is this?
The carbonator.
No, it filters.
The air filter.
Yeah. What's underneath this thing?
The carbonator.
Yeah. What is this thing? It distributes
Distributor.
stuff. Yo!
I was gonna have that one.
Yeah, you did. That was my fault. What is this? What is it? That has coolant in it. What's this?
This is the, valves. The valves.
Good job. It's the valve cover.
Valve cover. But
Yo!
guess what's under it? Guess what's under it?
Valves.
Yup. Oh, guess what this is?
Well,
A tube of some sort. I don't know.
yeah.
The spark plug thingy. No, the gasket.
No.
This is. No, wait. I know this one. Wait. Let's see. Shoot. I don't know.
It's the oil pressure sending unit. So close. A gasket. All right, first things first, I need to clean up all the bull crap out of this engine bay because I just like to put stuff in here when I don't know where to put it in the right spot. So put it in the other wrong spot and then clean that up at a later point. Some people have toolboxes. I have intake manifolds for sockets. Guys are just not on my level, really. I always know where my tools are. And by that, I mean, I always know they're somewhere under the truck. All right, safety first. That probably looked so cool. Time to start wire wheeling. All right, well, I did a little off-screen mining right here. And I sanded, prepped, and painted this core support all while it was snowing. So next up, we gotta start with wiring stuff. We're gonna need this. We're gonna go to the core supports behind the truck right here. And it's on the bottom. I'll bring these back inside. Oh, there we go. These guys, I just put them on the universal truck bed. Or I just leave everything and anything. I have like so many sheet metal screws in the back of this John. So what I was thinking of placement of this thing is, since there's going to be no core support, I was thinking it would be crazy right here. It would look freaking awesome. Looking pretty snazzy. Why I wanted to get here, because this little thing, yeah, right here. Starter wire goes straight to it, baby. I think with this design, it'll save on a lot of wiring length. There'll be a lot less wire in this setup because it won't be on the fender apron. All right, now the next issue is battery placement because it would go on the fender apron. I did want to mount it right here, right under the relay, but I'm just figuring that's like kind of really hard because there's these right here and then the tires right here. The more I get into this project, I'm realizing how nice fender aprons are. This battery tray, which is I think out of a 57 to 60 truck because they go on the firewall in those, and this looks like the same exact one in my 59 over there, my 4x4. Oh yeah, look at that beaut. Future videos, guys. Stay tuned. I don't know where I got this one, but it is very nice condition, and I somehow made it fit, and I bolted it in and self-tapered it. So this isn't like full ass, it's half-assed. Heck yeah. So my sister isn't here right now, and so I gotta get some other stuff done that needs to get done while she ain't here. So we got the engine taped off, and we're ready to paint this block just cast iron gray. Honestly, most things just need one coat. I don't even think I'm gonna bother with more. All right, we're back. My sister's here because I need help with doing stuff. Right now, we just got the engine painted and we're gonna put the fenders on it now because that's what we do. Here's the fender that I color matched. It turned out pretty good. This was once blue. It's like a tone off, but I'm thinking looks off. This is like a really satin finish and I didn't clear coat it. Entire truck is clear coated. So it looks a little off, but I think that'll be fixed once I clear coat it if I do, because I am very lazy and I don't want to buy more crap. So yeah, let's do this. All right, now we don't have to record it anymore. Or you can put the phone next to the toolbox and it record us doing it. Alrighty, so wiring is done. I didn't get to record all of it because, you know, it's not fun recording when it's 5 degrees out and your hands barely work. So just the ignition system's in right now. I used a resistor, which isn't stock, but yeah, I already confirmed it. Everything has power. Fabricated an alternator bracket for a 1-wire alternator. Very sus. It looks lined up all right, but who knows? Who knows? Yeah, we're about to get it running. Already cranks over, so I know it'll run because it's ran before. And also, this has been the warmest day in months. I wanted to get it fired up today, and it's nighttime, and yeah, I work 12 plus hours a day, so it's hard to get out here all the time. Yeah, let's get it ready. I got some 2-stroke right here. I got a vintage thermos cap that is broken, but it'll be perfect for putting a little bit of gasoline in, shoving it down that carb, and starting this dang baby up. Retarded. It's a timing joke. It's a timing joke. And it's running with a choke open. Shall we see if it goes into first gear?
Yeah.
Moves! It moves!
Dude, there she blows. Oh.
That's all I needed to know. It doesn't have brakes, so I'm not gonna drive it right now.
Okay.
Yeah, none of the brakes are hooked up.
Oh.
That's the end of the video. That is the end. It's driving. Now it's running. Now we just gotta get it driving. And my sister's, she has this issue where she's this one word. It starts with a B, I can't remember it. It rhymes with, like, it ends with itch. But yeah, that's my
Aaron.
truck, guys. It runs. Next video, we'll just get it driving. Peace. All right, dude. That was sick, right?
Yeah.